Motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty.
So today guys, bibili kami ng ibang kakailangan sa birthday. Ayan pang prices guys. Para pag pang premyo tayo. May chair na kami doon pero dadagdagan.
4?
Meron kami table sa bahay tsaka chair. Dagdag lang ito. Addition. Ayan guys, deliver lang ng ano to,
oh, it's crushed.
ano to,
I don't know what this is.
gamitin para sa birthday nito. Call your daddy so you can get this.
Daddy, Mama wants you to get this stuff.
Kasi ba hindi pa dumarating sa 27.5 na.
Ugh.
Ano lang to guys, pang decoration sa birthday.
For my birthday. What is that? Is that like shirts?
For chair? Yup, for chair.
I was like to touch. Oh. Is this like a banner? Oh, okay. Oh, this is mine. Wait, no, can I? Oh, I thought we already had one.
Yeah, this one is that one is we just make it.
Oh.
This one is for this one is for the runner. Like in runner.
Oh.
Stand.
Oh. Okay. I guess we could just call it a banner stand.
After for green screen. Put green screen.
Oh.
Hang it. So in order to put that shoot, you know.
That was fall. I'm excited.
So order that for table to clean. Getting ready for Rebecca's party. Ayan guys, yung parts. Ayan, Ito guys, ang cards. Let's see. There you go. Okay. Sige na, the ladder. Pang taas. Parang pang Ate Maria. My husband is busy. So whenever you put a balloon there, you have a ladder too. You need to have a ladder. So ayun na guys. 1 week pa. 1 week pa yung birthday niya. So inano na siya. Ina-symbol na siya para hindi na siya gawin. Sa 3 ang birthday niya. So 1 magde-decorate na or 2. So pero ayan, pinagawa ko na kasi nga para makita ko kung gaano kalaki, kung kasya ba, you know. So tsaka dumating na rin naman yung order, so why not gawin na, di ba? So ayan.